This is the most easiest way to make a table in format, raw data into a table format. So how we can do it? So raw data is basically which is unstructured data and messy data, but whenever we want to make a proper table and organized data, then we have to make it a table format data. Okay, so how we can make it? First of all, we have to select the data set, Control A for select and Control T for making a table. We have to take the my table has a header, as my table has a header category, employee, sales, quantity, something like that. Then it's automatically color formatting data and it's the organized data. We can make easily a pivot table from this data, and we can we can do lots of tasks here, like remove duplicates, then insert slicer, export header rows and total rows, and we can automatically add something like that. We can automatically calculate the data, sum, minimum, average. Okay, this is structured data or organized data. Then we can change the formatting of the data set, anything whatever we want to do, something like that. And if I want to do it manually, it will take lots of time, so we can easily make it. Then we can make a data entry form from this for this data set. Whenever we input the data into the form, then it will automatically add into the data table. So how we can make it? We have to go to data file tab, then options, customize ribbons, select all commands, then form. We have to create a new tab here and new group, new tab, rename the tab data entry tab, and new group, have to add new right button, data entry form. Okay, here automatically add data entry form. Then we have to press the form button, press the new icon, new options, then input the data set here, like something office supplies, employee, whatever you have, sales, something like that. Then record it, automatically add here. Okay, then close it. So it's a like form format. So whenever you press the form, then you can input the data here, and it will automatically add here. Okay, as this is the table, this is our table data.